here's the intro that I'm going to be trying to recreate. So to recreate it, open up DaVinci Resolve and then double click Entitled Project and then go up here to the Effects tab and then drag down a Fusion Composition. And I've gone more in depth on what Fusion Compositions are in this video, but a Fusion Composition is basically an empty canvas where you can create anything you want. You're going to want to make it about 5 seconds and then you're going to want to select the clip and then just go straight to the Fusion page. Now the Fusion page is where I'm going to be adding all of my motion graphics and visual effects. So I'm going to drag down a background node, connect it to the media out, and now you can see we have a dark background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the background node and then change the type from solid color to 4-corner and then just select the colors of your background node. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, pick screen color, and then I'm just going to pick the top left corner, and then I'm just going to do the same for all the other corners. And now you can see we've recreated the background. So to add the text, I'm just going to drag down this text plus node, and instead of Luke Miani, I'm going to write my name. So just Andrew's Video Tips, and then I'm just going to select it all and then change the font to the type of font that you want. So I picked this font, which is nothing like the one used in the intro, but I picked it because it's a nice font. So now you're just going to want to change the color to whatever you want. Just going to change it to the same that's in the video. For demonstration purposes only, you're going to want to change the size of it so that it looks nice. And then to make the light shadow, I'm just going to go into shading, select the second element, enable that, change the appearance to the first one, change the color to white, and then I'm just going to change the position offset so that it looks like the one that's similar to the video. So what I was doing is I was basically just changing the position of the white shadow so that it came in and came out at the right time. And then in the video, you may notice that the text just fades in and then just fades out. So to do that, just drag down a rectangle mask, connect it to the effect mask input of the merge node, increase the width, and then you want to go to frame 15, put a keyframe on the center, go to frame 0, put another keyframe on the center, and then move the center to here. So what I was doing is I was basically just animating the mask over all of the text and then just animating it in and out accordingly so that it looks like the original. And then one finishing touch is you may notice that in the video, the actual thing fades in. So what you're going to want to do is, if you're overlaying this on top of your video, you're just going to want to go to transitions and then just drag down a cross dissolve on each side of the animation. And now you have your finished animation.